Hello YouTube, Red to Green here again with another recap. Today is March 4th, 2022, and it's not a good day. It's not a good day. By the way, hit thumbs up, subscribe if you like those recaps. It does take some time and toll on me, so I appreciate for all the feedback and appreciate for all the support. And my PNL is coming up right now. Down $204.80. I was up yesterday $200. Now I'm down today $204. So yeah, that's the largest. I keep getting, maximum losses, maximum loss days. The previous maximum loss was what, 180 something. Now I'm at 204. So yeah, no sense in trading after. Again, I traded 7 stocks today, and I'm down on all of them but one, CYRN, and the one I'm up only $1.48 on CYRN. So very bad trading on my part. I was down approximately $60 for a while, and then I was like, okay, maybe I have a hang on this INDO. A lot of people were trading INDO, and let's start with INDO. A lot of hopes, a lot of good setups here, right? A lot of people traded those pullbacks. If you look at the 1 minute setups here, off of VWAP, right? Decent setups and hard pulls. That's actually beautiful setups, and I don't know. I just couldn't get a read on this stock, and I couldn't get a read on this stock for an entire week. It's just not my type of stock. It's not a stock for scalping. It's not a stock for my type of trading. And I told that before I started streaming this morning. By the way, I stream every morning starting at about 9:15 or 9 o'clock. So come join, come say hi. And this is just been painful. Yesterday up $188 on the stock. Today down 88. And one thing that got me today was BCEL, and somebody called it out in the chat, and I looked at it. It's like, yeah, decent. It popped on some scanners today. It showed volume too as a $2.60 stock. It was decent float, 26 million. That's not bad typically. So I was trading it at the 267, 268 range here, and guess what? Look at this. I was trading it right at the top before it just sold off into the 230s. And I was taking actually decent share size. I was trading 500,000 shares. I did 2 trades of 500, so 1,000 shares. And was 3 cents. That's $30 down, 2 cents, $20 down, and here we are at $53 down on BCEL. So that brought me over 180 mark because I was down about 127 total before BCEL. And then I told myself, and I told the guys, you know what? I'll attempt to trade INDO one more time, and I traded it around this area here for the break of 31, and I lost another $20. The spreads were 40 cents, 50 cents at times. The fills were horrible at the market. And you take this break, you feel like it's going to go, and it just flushes like 30, 40 cents plus the spread. You try to get out, you always get filled in the bottom at the market order. It just, every feel I've gotten, well, not every. There were a couple instances where I got decent fills, but out of those 100 trades I took on INDO, maybe 2 were decent fills. So anyway, I just want to say F you, INDO. That's all. I also attempted OCGN. OCGN was actually a decent mover back in the day when there was volume. It was just given these opportunities over and over again because it was pushing higher and higher. And right now it's just a chop fest. And it's been a chop fest for past 6 months. Yeah, and I don't know why I keep coming back to this, because I keep giving back the profits I made on it last summer. And it is showing like the setups would work out, but at that time when I was trading it, it's nothing. It either would not move or just flushes that 3 cents, and you have to take a decent share size with it to trade. Anyway, same thing as with BCEL. It wasn't going anywhere. Down $30 on it. RSX, I attempted it. I got that call from some other chat room, and it was actually not looking bad, to tell you the truth. That break of 570, I didn't trade that. Break of 6, that's what I was actually trying to trade, and it never happened. I actually got stuck in this 590 area. So you see this 590, I drew a line. So I wanted for it to curl back up into break of 6. It was 10 cents, 500 shares. That could have been $50 win, but it wasn't. It was $15 loss. Kept the losses low on RSX. That's good, but still, losses add up, right? If you take so many losses on many stocks and just you add them up, and it's $200 right there. Seed, I don't even remember Seed, to tell you the truth. I tried it. It was popping or something. I attempted it for the continuation of that momentum bounce of a VWAP. It never worked, so just called it quits on Seed. Wheat was also one of them. Wheat, $13 loss. No volume, nothing. Just volume dropped right away from that first 2 5-minute candles. I was actually trying to trade the continuation break of that high, and I probably attempted, I don't know if I attempted to trade that 1250 break into that 1260, but you see the setups like this. So for example, you see how it approaches the high and then it pulls back, right? And to me, it got bought up, so it shows the strength. There are buyers actually at that level. And that's where I was trading. I was trading around this level. I wanted to break that 270 and the 279, 277. It looked good, but then it flushed. It's just it didn't go. And the spreads were, I feel like they were pretty high. I believe 5 cents at some point, maybe 7 cents. So that's high for that stock. And that equals $13.51 loss. That's pretty much the day, guys. I'm not going to go over see why I ran. It's a break-even trade. I attempted it, didn't work. I did 225 orders today too, trades. It's a lot, considering, and was every trade. INDO, like I said, INDO I took over 100 trades on just alone, probably 150. And out of those trades, maybe 2 or 3 were decent. Now, the good thing with INDO, if you catch that decent trade on INDO, you can make $25 to $50 back just with one trade. For me, with my share size. So technically, with one decent trade, I could have made that, $80 back, maybe with 2 trades. So it's not bad, right? But the problem for me was catching that trade, and I just when I felt like I was catching that trade, I think I was up at $30 or 25. Not up. I made $25 to $30 on a couple trades to bring me back down to like a $14 loss on that. And the next trade would just lose $10. Then the next trade would lose $10. It just that fishing for the next continuation was just always a fail. But what I noticed about INDO, and I felt like for some traders, when they trade a setup, it actually was a perfect stock rather than trading a momentum or trading that scalp. Because 40-cent spread on INDO, that's just too much. Anyway, guys, I'm not going to ramble a lot. It's bet day, bet Friday again. It seems like the trend continues. Every Friday so far for the past 3 weeks been red. And we caught another red day on Tuesday. $80 red day. So I'm actually red for the week. I believe like $90 or something, $89. So hopefully you guys did well. I'm definitely not trying to be hard on myself, but it's definitely not what I was looking for, right? This is kind of that time of the day or time of the week where like you feel like you should be up after trading for so long and spending so much energy on this, and it's just drowning, you know, whatever you want to call it. But anyway, guys, hopefully you guys have a good weekend, and I'll talk to you all on Monday.